Imagine if you could invest in the entire stock market without having to pick a single company or spend hours researching. Sounds too good to be true? Well, there's a simple investment tool that lets you do just that. It's called an index fund, and it might just be the smartest way for beginners and pros alike to grow their money. In this video, I'm breaking down what index funds are and why they're so popular. So, what exactly is an index fund? Think of it as a big basket filled with hundreds or even thousands of stocks from top companies like Apple or Netflix, and they're all bundled together to track a specific market index, like the S&P 500. Instead of buying individual stocks one by one, when you invest in an index fund, you buy a tiny piece of that entire basket, which means your investment moves with the overall market. Take Sarah, for example. She was new to investing and didn't know which stocks to pick. So, she invested in an index fund tracking the S&P 500. Over time, despite market ups and downs, her money grew steadily without her having to constantly check or adjust anything. So, why do so many investors buy index funds? Here's why. Low fees. Because they just follow an index, they don't need expensive managers, which means lower fees for you. Diversification. Owning hundreds of companies spreads out your risk. One bad apple won't spoil the whole basket. Simplicity. You don't have to be an expert or watch the market daily. Index funds are set it and forget it investments that have historically grown steadily. To sum it up, index funds make investing simple, affordable, and effective. Like Sarah, you can start small and build your wealth over time without stress. If this helped, smash that like button, subscribe for more finance tips, and drop a comment.